In this video, we're taking a closer look at how to add Google Sheets to our content. Let's start by creating a new playlist. Let's call this Google Sheets. Let's open the playlist. In this example, we've already created a Google Sheet with some basic data related to website performance, so all we really need is the public link for this sheet. Go to File, Share, and click Publish to Web. In this next pop-up, we can choose what sheet we want to publish. Click Publish, and then OK. So now I have the public URL. Let's copy this. Back at the editor, we'll find the website plugin at the top. Let's maximize the plugin. Then paste the public URL from Google Sheets. In this example, we're also going to turn on Force Cache Bursting and refresh periodically. And let's preview the content. One of the cool things when working with any of Google's cloud-based applications is that every time we make a change in Google's cloud, the changes are automatically updated on all our screens. So let's go back to Google Sheets, and let's change a couple of the data points. Let's remove this section and resize this instead. When we go back to the preview, we'll see that the content changes almost instantly. For Google Sheets, any changes will be pushed every 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.